This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Impressive updated 4-bedroom home with a pristine location in Great Neck. The floor plan is designed for comfortable living with its spacious living and dining rooms, along with an updated gourmet eat-in kitchen with high-end appliances and attached family room west/fireplace. The nicely maintained back fenced-in yard and deck are great for relaxing and entertaining. This home is just minutes from the interstate, beaches, schools, restaurant spaces, and so much more. Multi-lease preferred, lawn maintenance included in rent, pets on a case-by-case basis, no cats. No smoking or vaping allowed. Available 7-1. For more information, review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.